Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetrainingvideos.com. It's 8:22 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, May 27th, looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the SPY, and volatile much? Oh boy, the European scene, just a bit of a seesaw here. People worried, getting little bits of hope here and there, new fears develop, things fall off the cliff, things pop back up, but I guess it points to the idea that markets can do whatever they want, and that's fine with us. Right now we're gapping up this morning pre-market here into a pretty good area of resistance, and actually have tested it now into the 109.50 area, pulled back to 109 as you can see, and on a 15-minute chart you can either scrunch that up, see that we're past the highs here, at least working on it, go to even higher time frame, see where that resides, and we're really into this great area of resistance where we had several tests, 1, 2, 3, 4, now our fifth test of this 109.50 area, so very, very meaningful. Next resistance area is 110, 111, so very good to have that in our camp. Above that, 111.50 area, probably by the time we get there. If we do, declining 200 MA on the 60-minute chart will be here, and that'll be something that people will watch out for and probably have to stall on the way up there also. So on the way down, of course, we now have a nice gap fill we get to work with, and so a couple areas of support. I need to go deeper into a chart first. Let me go 15. It looks like 108.50 would be a good one. 107.30. This is a nice area of support. Round number 107, which coincides with a great gap fill, and then 106 area. So some pretty good notable areas on the way south. On a 60-minute chart, the biggest one, 107 through here, and the rising sort of flat, I guess, right now, 100 MA, and that's about the 107.50 mark. So that coincides with something on a smaller time frame. Larger time frame, just taking a look at a daily chart here. You know where we've come from now. Pretty good size sell-off, lower swing high into this 50 MA, pulling back to support, gapping down past that support. Now we're actually sort of consolidating here, trying to hammer our way out of this bottom that has been put in. And even higher time frame than that, this weekly chart, that if you take a look at it, we're really trying to fight hard to stay above the rising 100 MA on a weekly chart, which is very, very important. So we'll see if we get a chance to do that. If not, then that'll be a good break. So we have until tomorrow to pop back up here to stay above it on a higher time frame, 100 MA. So good stuff, everybody. That's what I see. Watch out for your tick and trend readings here pre-market, during the open, and make sure you give it time to settle out before you put too much weight on it. And I'll be talking to you around noon to see how things are shaping up. Trade well, everybody.